a little bit excited over you. I closed my eyes and thought of us so unready.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and click the notification button so you can be notified of when my videos go up, okay? Today I'm starting with the first video of my Black Envy wig series. It's basically some few tutorials, how I do certain things, how I style my wigs, how I do certain things, so you know that, you're getting the best when you order from moi, okay? I'm going to tell you a little bit about my business. My business is called Black Envy, which is a wig business for now. I hope to expand in the future, but for now I'm starting with wigs. And basically what I do, I provide wig services such as wig maintenance, closure replacement, frontal replacement, retighten, reconstruction, everything handmade, dye color, I color, I bleach, I tone, whatever you want, I do. You can get a wig constructed with me if you provide the hair. When you provide the hair, you can get a closure wig, which is $100 for construction and customization as well. And for the frontal, it's $150. But when you don't, you could just purchase a wig from me, or you can tell me what kind of wig you want, and I'll take care of the rest. My email will be down below. My Instagram page will be down below. Make sure you follow and just contact me. I live in Atlanta, but I do ship. So if you feel like, man, I really want her services, it's really affordable, but I'm not living in Georgia, I ship to you, boo. I do video consultations. I use 3 to 4 different types of wig caps. I do the mesh dome cap, the regular dome cap, then I use a U-part wig cap, and then just a normal wig cap for my frontals. So depending on what the client wants, depending on the size of their head, I have a variation. I don't only use dome caps. Me personally, I love using dome caps, but I don't always use it when I do wigs for other clients. Also, if I'm doing a wig for you, no matter if I'm doing and I'm providing the hair, or you provide the hair and I'm just doing the wig, I give you video and picture updates, letting you know how far along of the process I am in, so you know that you're part of the process. You know that your wig is in good hands and it's almost there, and it will be on your head fitting perfectly, looking flawlessly. Okay, so today on my first video for my series, I will be teaching y'all how to pin curl, how to make a closure look like our frontal. Okay, 24, 22, and 12-inch closure with layers, and it's just jet black. This is my favorite wig, okay, and this is a 3-part closure. So most wigs does come with 3-part closure. I'm just telling you, you can still make a non-3-part closure look like a bomb closure, okay, all natural. I will have a future tutorial on that. But let's get started with this baby, okay? I got my things right next to me. I got my tools. I'm gonna move this over a little. So I am gonna blow dry it just so we can have volume for, doing the curls, because we want it bouncy, we want it flowing, especially that I have layers in it, so it could just look right, okay? So before I do that, I will be using my Kiss Oregon hair oil, okay, heat protected, and I just like to squeeze a little bit of it and put it everywhere. This is my favorite heat protected. It gives the hair a nice sheen look, but it's very lightweight, it's not heavy. Okay. As you can tell, the hair has some sort of waves going on. So yeah, now I'm just gonna do my clips on. And when I blow dry hair, I like to use a paddle brush just because I feel like I have a better result with them. So I'm going to use my blow dryer on warm and on low. I'm done blow drying the wig. If you see me looking back, I'm literally just looking at the monitor behind the camera, so I'm making sure my camera is filming because it likes to stop. I can't wait to get a new camera, guys, but you know, that's another conversation for another time. So, I'm using this stick curler by Sara Clair. It's like 1.5 inches. I like big curlers. If I want tighter, smaller curls, I'll just use a regular flat iron. That's just my preference. But I like big because I want big wavy curls. I don't necessarily want really tight curls. So that's what we're going to get done. Let's section my hair into 3 to 4 sections. So right now, I'm just sectioning one side right here. I'm just going to pin this away. And then comb this out. Now the clips I like to use on PINCURL are double prong clips right here. I just like them. It keeps the meter smaller. It takes less space. So these are the ones I like using. So the way I like curling with this, I like to leave my curler on 30 minutes prior because I like it really, really hot, because that's when I get a real nice sheen. So sometimes, like if the hair is like just washed and I finish blow drying, which is not what it is now, but even when I blow dry, it's still a little frizzy. So I like to go over on the top just to smooth it out, and then I'll just start twirling the curler so that he can really distribute through the hair evenly. I found out through my years in a hair salon that this is so much better, and your curls look so much nicer when you use the curler just like this, rather than, you know, just turning the curler itself. And take your time, guys. It'll look like that. And then, as it's hot, I like to roll the hair back up and then literally just pin it up. Sometimes you can use 2 depending on how the hair holds with just 1. On the bottom I mostly use 2 because I like to take really big sections. As I said, I don't want tight curls. I just want it to have a body wave basically. But if you want tighter curls, either use a flat iron, a smaller barrel of the curler, and do smaller sections. Finish pin curling is just that simple. I'm going to finish pin curling, and I'm going to come back after I let the pin curls cool down and show you the end result. And then I got my baby hair in the front, ready to be trimmed, so we can make it as realistic as possible, or, you know, fun to like. You can either use a scissor or a razor, but I prefer to use a razor. It's not as blunt as you would get from the scissors. So I'm just going to angle it down. And with this comb razor, you have more control. So I'm just angling down. My foaming lotion. Skirt a little in front. I'm doing this as I let the curls cool down. is like better on person, but since I want it to be hard and I can just pop it on my head and my V is already there, I'm just gonna use a small amount. Better control than a toothbrush. That's just me and my preference, that's why I stopped using it. It off. I don't like really strong hairspray, especially when it's like hair. You know, some people use got to be spray, but I feel like it's too hard for my liking. I still want my curls to just be like whoosh, like really nice and just body waves, you know, light waves. So I'm using the Salon Graphic Professional Volumizing Hairspray from Rumpled, and it's a 9 Max. So it's not as strong. So I'm shaking it. Spray the layers too. At least I'm using my Virgin Hair Fantasy Wig Makeup Kit for my part, because I did not bleach the closure. I only tweezed my part. So I just like to apply this right here. And it just blends in so perfectly. I actually have it on this wig right now. And I just put it on my part. This makes the hair ashy. It's just really, really nice. So I like to pat that baby in there. And I like to mix these last two colors. Set and sprayed. The way we want to take it out, because I've had it I let it cool down for a minute. So let's see how this baby turned out. Big white tooth comb to comb it out but not to lose its wave. As I said, I wanted like a body wave, nothing strong, nothing too dramatic, but really loose curls. Look at that body. Body movement, all the works, and that's how you can curl. final results and look how beautiful this is. Look how voluminous the curls are. Look at the movement, and I've been stiff over here. And look at the curls. And plus, the best part about it being a wig, you take it off and your curls will still hold. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.